11:11. Look how pretty. The dusting of the sun. I'm just proud of myself, okay? I'm proud of it. It's easy to make and it takes some time. It takes some time to do. But it's so worth it. And it's so worth it. It's the perfect movie treat. And I can't tear it just on the side. Oh my gosh, I can't, that irks me. I mean, look at that clean slit right there. And then you can easily fold it over to clips. I love the white cheddar. I can barely taste it though, because my stuffy nose. Okay. So you need at least 3 to get the taste. Oh. Let's see. Go with the red. And yes, that's important to me. Now, why am I watching Sinners for the 3rd time? I just want to keep re-experiencing it for myself. Because that's the beauty of movie magic. That's exactly what it is. Sorcery, you know? Okay.